As an athlete at Idaho State University, I have learned that what I eat and when affects my performance. I have learned that food is power. The Idaho State University SCORE program has a sports dietitian that meets with us as a team and as individuals to teach us how to fuel our bodies for performance. SCORE stands for Smart Cooking on the Run Every Day. One of my favorite events was our grocery store tour. Our dietitian made us a shopping list that is basically a map of the store. We use this list to find the healthy foods we should buy. We discussed how planning ahead would save us a lot of money and time, both of which are lacking for student athletes. After the grocery store tour, we had a cooking class. Our team wanted to learn how to cook with slow cookers, and we learned some fast, tasty recipes we could use at home. We ate dinner together and then made fruit smoothies for dessert. It was really fun. I will use these skills for the rest of my life. The grocery store tour and cooking class gave me more confidence in my ability to feed myself and keep myself healthy. Meal planning should be a part of your training if you want to be a competitive college athlete. Here at Idaho State University, our nutrition and overall health is made a priority through the SCORE program. We really appreciate all the help from the United Dairymen of Idaho.